What, Hayden?
Watch the egg.
What are you doing to the egg?
I'm hatching the hatchet.
You're hatching it?
You're doing a good job.
Are you peeling it off?
You're so helpful. Aren't you? Are you helping Grandma?
You getting tired? You're almost done.
The egg is building fast.
That's so funny you thought of that, Addison.
Mm-hmm.
Are you helpful, Hayden?
Don't drop it in the garbage. Oh.
Uh-oh. We can wash it up.
It's okay, it fell in the shells.
So in the cell.
Yep, just turn it over and finish peeling.
What is your name?
Hayden.
Helpful Hayden?
Hayden to the rescue?
No. Helpful Hayden.
Helpful Hayden to the rescue?
Are you saving Grandma? Thank you.
Uh-oh.
That's okay, just drop that part in.
Your things get in.
That's fine.
You're doing a good job.
I take the peel it.
Yep, peel it.
You are the best helper I ever had.
Yes.
Turn it over in your hand and then you can pull it off. Ooh, ooh.
Uh-oh.
Get it?
Uh-oh. Oh my God.
This is slippery? It's a slippery little devil?
All right. Is it all done?
Okay,
Give it to Grandma so she can wash it.
Thank you very much. Look
Good
at
job,
that. It's a
Hayden.
perfect egg. You did a perfect job. Look at that. Perfect.
Good job, bud.
Thank you.
We have to wash me too.
You gotta wash you too? All right, are your hands dirty? Okay. You can shut the garbage.
I put an egg.
Hit the button?
Wash your hands.
Ooh, you almost got it. There you go. Okay, let's wash your hands.